All right, what up, y'all? So I just got a load of chicken litter here, chicken manure, whatever you want to call it. And you can see I got the whole trailer full, and then I got the whole bed of my truck full, and I got my little unloader thing. If y'all missed out on that video, make sure to check out up here. I'll show you all about that so that you don't have to shovel the whole bed empty. But I want to give you all the lowdown on chicken litter real quick. So as far as manures go and organic fertilizers go, chicken manure is by far the strongest and the best. I mean, it's better than synthetic fertilizers because it has so many nutrients in it that you just can't get with, a regular bag of 10, 10, 10 or whatever. So the nutrient analysis of this stuff is like 3-2.4-2.6. So you can see you have to use so much more of it to equal, like 10, 10, 10 or something like that, pound per pound. But you get a bunch of micronutrients in there too, so you get pretty much the same amount calcium. It's got like 2.4% calcium in it too, and it's got copper, manganese, zinc, sulfur, all kind of micronutrients in it that bagged fertilizer isn't gonna have in it. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop, you know what I mean, so that you don't have to buy a bunch of different bags of a bunch of different stuff. But this is a broiler litter, and you can see how dense it is. I mean, you can see it's awesome stuff. And this was once pine shavings, but it's basically composted down to a point of fertilizer now. So I paid $50 for all of this, which is a good deal. And it came with a nutrient analysis, so I can calculate how much this I need based off of the soil test. I can convert, the synthetic fertilizer recommendation to this stuff. And, people say like cow manure and horse manure and all that kind of stuff. Cow manure is like 0.5-0.5-0.5. So this is essentially 3-3-3 pretty much. So you can see how much stronger this stuff is. So I'm not going to do the math in my head, but it's, you have to use way less of this to equal the same amount of cow manure because it's way more concentrated, if that makes sense. So it's basically the difference between, one bag of 10, 10, 10 versus a bag of this stuff. You'd have to use way less 10, 10, 10. And because that's more concentrated than this. So I'll put links in the description to the fertilizer calculator that I use to calculate this stuff, to convert it to the recommendations of the synthetic, like 10, 10, 10 or whatever the soil test recommendation was, to convert it to use this stuff instead. And I'll put links in the description, to more information about poultry litter as fertilizer. But this stuff, they say if you don't incorporate it, you just like spread it and don't disc it in or till it in or whatever, only 50% is available in the first year. If you do till it in or incorporate it, then 65% is available in the first year. So after you calculate how much you need based off the calculator, you just divide that by, 0.5 or 0.65 depending on if you're incorporating it or not, and that'll make sure that it'll make sure that you get more than you need, so that you have enough minerals there, because they're organic sources of calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. So they're not water soluble, they're not all available at once, like a bag fertilizer or something like that. Over the season, it's going to break down and it's going to release it to the plants. So you need more, to make sure that you get enough so that you're good. But yeah, this stuff is awesome. I use it all the time. I don't ever use cow manure or any other kind of manure. Chicken manure is the best as far as I'm concerned. If you can get it bulk like this, it's way better than getting a bag deal, because like $8 a bag, a 20-pound bag, it's not worth it on a large scale. So let me think if there's any more tips that I know about this stuff. Like I said, you get a bunch of micronutrients in here too. There's not much sodium in it, so you don't really have to worry about that. But the primary minerals that are in this is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium are all, they're basically equal. There's a ton of calcium in this stuff. And I've even read reports that it can help adjust the pH too, because it's got a really high pH, of like 8.0 or something like that. So it can help lower your pH. It can help raise your pH of your garden spot. But like I said, you also get a bunch of micronutrients, copper, zinc, manganese, magnesium, sulfur. There's probably a bunch of them that I'm forgetting, but it's like a complete package pretty much, so that you don't have to get 10 and then get all the micronutrients from something else. Oh, boron, that's another one. It's really good stuff. So use this. Don't use cow manure or horse manure. There can also be problems if you look up. I'm sure there's a bunch of videos on here of people getting horse manure or cow manure that's not properly composted or whatever, and it can have certain weed killers in it, and it can really mess up your garden. If you look up videos for aminoperylid in vegetable gardens or Grazon or whatever, because they spray it on the hay and then it transfers over to, it goes right through the cow or horse or whatever, llama, whatever, and it gets in the soil, and it can be persistent there for like 5 years or whatever. But that doesn't concern me, because this is chicken manure and they don't eat hay. All right, so I want to show you how I weigh it up. I just get a bathroom scale right here, and I just get a bucket. I don't know where my bucket went, but I put the bucket on here, and I just use whatever the recommended amount on the fertilizer calculator was. Once I adjust it for the 0.65, because I'm tilling it in, I put the bucket on here, and then I just get 100 pounds or whatever, spread it out, come back and get more until I got my full amount, and then I'm good. Alright guys, so if this information helped y'all out, make sure to drop me a huge thumbs up down below, and don't forget to comment and subscribe while you're at it for more farming videos in the future, as the season progresses. Peace.